Hello, welcome. I'm Evie. And I'm hard of hearing. So this performance is of 3 Gaelic songs about marginalised voices. And also my dissertation focus this year has been on the connection of these cultures and these 2 languages that I use and love. So to deaf people and hard of hearing people. Ross Whyte. Now we have a modern Gaelic song coming up. This song is written by Gaidhlig Macmillan, and it's a song called Dúin an Augury, I think I spelled it right, which means Song of the Refugee or the Refugee's Plea. And it's written from the perspective of a refugee. And the choruses sort of encapsulate what humans want, you know, the importance of kindness and patience and friendship when far from home. And it also calls to attention the need for respect and the desire for dignity that the refugee once had.
Nad fallaf nad chabaig Lishin am hwyac am bawn am ofo Gyn iach played na pwlen Syrstul e brile nach behuwn Orse a nei ari fwamse Gaidhlig mi mach madines galaf mi chotra Sonny vi mar hami Smeha chandayus gidin ruay Ato puskeg feitne shir Arstes peines dolag sigoshinj Kerstes ishtach tarum enzinki Evan miten hamin
So now we have another Gaelic new song, with music by Marianne Kennedy, the melody, and the words are by poet Donald Meek. And the title is Tógah na Dráige, which means build bridges, not walls. And so the song was shaped by taking into consideration 3 different crossing points. So the Queensferry crossing at the Forth, the Mediterranean refugee crisis, and Trump's brutal policing with the borders of Mexico. So Marianne also told us that a Gaelic school learnt this to sing a welcome event for a Syrian family, which I thought was really nice.
Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Tógah na drachadjan láidir de gra. Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Fáilte gibh goi gríoch le bíag agus blas. Fáilte gibh goi gríoch le bíag agus blas. Fuad I gibh suad achas clach gibh an cadenas. Seachnig na mar sant an ríchga sig ran. Bíomh nuair taich ger an tógah na chealichan. Lasibh the cacaalt le tíine na fáilt. Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Tógah na drachadjan láidir de gra. Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Fáilte gibh goi gríoch le bíag agus blas. Fáilte gibh goi gríoch le bíag agus blas. Itar na cúltar an tuig sé seachawaras. Itar na dúchan an banan na bai. Tógah na trúige na tanan na tanalí. Sí na banala ver go tíriad go slán. Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Tógah na drachadjan láidir de gra. Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Fáilte gibh goi gríoch le bíag agus blas. Fáilte gibh goi gríoch le bíag agus blas. Tógah na drachadjan líkah na balachan. Tógah na drachadjan láidir de gra. Baige ben sel a chéine gleitrenes. Bíomh nuair caf sadir an cosí chulchrad. Bíomh nuair caf sadir an cosí chulchrad.
Now we have a song about nature and the overwhelming threat to it. So this song is called Mulig, which means mutation, and it's written by Whyte. So this song is about the loss of land and language, and minority languages, and it describes what happens when we neglect our environment. So I learned this song signing it from Catherine King for a Gaelic theatre show with Theatre Gaidhlig, which was also with the band Whyte. So the theatre show was called Mine, which means panic or horror. which is Ross's favourite word. And the play, it weaves in song and movement and minority languages, BSL and Gaelic, and it reflects on what happens when we ignore and disrespect the environment as it's facing extinction. I would really like to thank Ross Whyte, accompanist, for accompanying, the writers Marianne Kennedy and Gaidhlig Macmillan for allowing us to interrogate and perform your songs. Also, big thank you to Mark Stevenson, Alistair White and Catherine King. Also, big thank you to Jamie. I wish you all the best and thank you for watching.